Solve and graph this inequality right here. Well, this inequality is kind of like an equation. When I see problems that are kind of like equations with distributive property, that's the first thing I'm going to do. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3r is 15r. Drop down the plus 7. Drop down the greater than or equal to 127, and step 1 is done. However, what I notice is on the left side, I have like terms. And if you have like terms on a side of an equation or an inequality, combine them. So 37 is 30 plus 7. Drop down the plus 15r. Drop down the greater than or equal to. Drop down the 127. Subtract 37 from both sides because that's the inverse of plus 37. Drop down the 15r, drop down the greater than or equal to, drop down the 90. R is still not alone. 15 is being multiplied to r, so in order to get rid of that 15, let's do the inverse, which is divide 15. We're going to end up saying r is greater than or equal to 6. That's our solve part. So what I want to do is make sure I have a 6 represented on my number line, like so, and then we'll fill in all the numbers that we have to fill in because I make these number lines so big. Since r is greater than or equal to 6, I'm going to put a circle at 6 and fill it in. Why fill it in? Because r is any number larger than or equal to 6, which means 6 count. And since 6 counts and everything greater than that counts, I'm going to fill in everything to the right of it. What this purple line represents, or if you're colorblind, what this gray line represents is any number, 9, 11, a billion. If I were to take that number and plug it into this original r, this would be a true statement. Okay, whatever number I get would be greater than or equal to 125. So there you have it. That's a multi-step inequality with its graph. Fun.